Hello, I'm Lydall, Head of Dealing at Foenix Partners, and this is your weekly economic updates. So this week we're going to have a look at the Brexit bill. It's very hard to get away from at the moment. So last week what happened in particular was we saw sterling appreciation as rumours came out in the market that there was in fact a form of agreement, but numbers were not put forward. The ones that were anywhere between 20 and 60 billion, but of course, as you often see in the market, this was a little bit premature. So the facts are, yesterday, Mr. Juncker met with Mrs. May in Brussels and no agreement was made. Now, what can we learn from this? Well, there's one huge problem, which is the Northern Ireland border. Whilst it's not specifically economic, what it does have is potential ramifications on other regions if allowances are made for Northern Ireland. So that's a very specific problem for Mrs. May. We need an agreement in the next 9 days, and that's what the European Commission has targeted and what Mrs. May has to go with. So, if we do see an agreement in the next few days, or 9 to be specific, there is likely to be sterling appreciation. As we saw last week, the dollar could move up towards the 135, 136 area, and sterling euro towards 1.14. So that clearly is good and a very good situation for euro importers. On the other hand, if we find this pushed back and no agreement made, or some significant problems around the Northern Ireland border, then what we could see is significant sterling depreciation back towards 1.1 for sterling euro and 1.3 for sterling dollar. So it remains to be seen. It's very much a pessimist and optimist scenario, but we only have a few months left when things have to be agreed and the 2-year transitional period is, in theory, over. I'm Lydall, Head of Dealing at Foenix Partners, and that is your weekly economic update.